From Senegal, West Africa, to St. Louis, Missouri. Thanks to Catherine Dunham for giving my pops his glory. He came down with his drum and a dream to change the world in a free, uplifting world. And that's all we ever want. Mom came a little after, gave birth to my brother. Then all of the pressure made them fight one another. You see, the pain will never last. Did the best with what they had. He knew the world was out for grabs, and he searched to find his freedom. 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 Oh, freedom. Everything I have, everything I own, all my mistakes, fam, you already know. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. So I search to find my freedom. Freedom. Ooh, yeah. Freedom. Oh, freedom. Everything I have, everything I own, all my mistakes, girl, you already know. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Yeah. As a kid, I never knew I'd have to hustle just to make it through. So I found myself skipping school, cause the girls don't think I'm cool. And because of that I didn't care whether or not I went to jail. I just wanna be treated fair.